Alrighty, welcome to our first episode of Spice Up. I am your host, Travis Perweiler, and I am here with our guest, Miss Rowling.
Thank you for having me.
No problem. So, Spice Up is a knockoff of a popular show, Hot Ones, where we have our 5 sauces. We'll go through, and I'll just interview Miss Rowling about her career and how much she enjoys Patriot.
Sounds good. All right, what are we starting with?
Alrighty, so we are starting off with our first sauce, the Tabanero Original Hot Sauce.
Ooh, all right.
And my first question for you is, what led you to change from working in the TV production field, where you've been working, to moving over and teaching at Patriot High School?
Okay.
So let's get
our little hot sauce going here.
Yep, and then
a little dab. I can start answer while you're doing that. I worked, in television my whole career ever since college. I moved to Virginia in 2000 and most recently worked with a company called MBN, Middle East Broadcast Network. It was a great job. I absolutely loved it. But obviously, without getting into too much political drama, the government had some issues back in April and my company was defunded. So unfortunately, the majority of the company was let go and I was left in an unemployment situation. And Patriot reached out. They needed a TV instructor, and I accepted. And here I am, and having a great time so far. So thanks for having me, Patriot.
No problem.
Yep.
And
all right, let's see. I think I might have put too much on here. But
I put more on than you did.
Yes,
so
you did. Oh, God. Okay.
Cheers.
Okay. Oh, that's
really
not bad.
I like the flavor.
That's sweet.
This
that's
one,
actually really
I
good.
I love the flavor on that one.
Wow. Yeah. You don't get a lot of heat.
I get a little bit of tingle, but otherwise...
It does say medium heat. And it's vegan and gluten-free.
Shout out vegans.
All right. Now shout out to the vegans, right?
Alrighty, so first one down.
First one down. Okay.
So our second sauce, different from all the others, is a normal Cholula hot sauce.
All right,
which is
good.
green pepper,
chilies,
which you might see at like just local Mexican restaurants.
Yes. Okay.
My second question for you is, when you were out working in the field, what was your favorite thing that you did?
Favorite thing when I was out in the field. So obviously I love editing. I know everyone's like, oh, editing's so hard, but I don't know. For me, it's great because you get to take what everyone else has already kind of done and you make the final product that everybody gets to see on TV, which is what I loved about it. Plus you can kind of control, the perspectives and the shots. When I was actually out in the field though, can't be slacking off on my chili sauce there. Let's see how much I can get on here. I usually, honestly, liked working the camera. I don't know. I guess that would be my answer if I was in the field. So, yeah. All right.
Alrighty.
Cheers.
Second one. Cheers.
All right. Hopefully it's not as too drastic. Napkin. Or tissue. I had tissues in case you're crying later. Well, it was hotter.
I definitely noticed the uprise, but still, it tastes similar.
That's good, though.
I like the first one more, but...
That's one we wrote on, like Tostitos.
Yes.
Some scoops. Yeah. That's tasty.
I love the lime sauce, or like the lime chips from
Sears. With the salt, lime salt.
I could down a whole bag of those.
I might have to do one with lime salt. If we get any vegetarians or vegans who want to be on the show, can use Tostitos instead of chicken.
Yep.
All
right. So our third sauce is the extra hot Tabanero hot sauce. So we are going up the ranks. Yes. And my question for you is, besides working in the television fields, what stuff do you like doing in your personal life?
Ooh, good question. So I'm a huge Disney fan, if nobody knows. I love going to Disney World. I try to take a trip there at least 2 or 3 times a year. I have a couple friends who work there. Other than that, though, I'm a pretty big gamer. I do like playing video games. I do martial arts. I'm a black belt in Shotokan karate.
Oh, wow. Something I can't do.
Yes. I like working out in general. And then, I don't know, just hanging out with friends, eating a good meal. Yeah, watching TV.
Eating some hot sauce?
Eating some hot sauce. There you go. All right. Let's see where you said habanero. Gosh.
The extra hot.
I think the next one I Google might be like Scotch bonnets.
I don't get that reference.
It is a Jamaican pepper Scotch bonnet. Like a Thai chili would be Thai. Scotch bonnets are Jamaican.
Yeah. Alrighty. Number 3. I honestly think the second one was...
I think the second one was a little hotter. This one's hit me a little now. on the back end. I feel like the sweat starting a bit now.
I feel the sweat. I don't feel the taste.
Not a lot of flavor on this one.
Yeah. So definitely this one over that.
Yeah, this one's still winning for me.
Yeah.
The second.
I still think my favorite one is the
first
first one without question.
Okay.
All right. And then as we start to lose flavor, we go on to our fourth sauce, which is the XXX hot sauce.
This is when the pain starts. Okay.
And on the pepper thing on the website, this one was 1 pepper. This one was 2. This one was 8.
Oh, gosh. Okay.
So
up into the 8s.
we are starting to accelerate.
Yes.
And my fourth question for you is while we enter the later stages.
Okay.
When you were working in the field. Oh.
Yes. No, my nose is starting to run.
Yeah.
That's okay.
When you were working in the field, was there any like celebrities that you met and that you worked with? And if so, who were your favorite celebrities to work with?
So I never really had any chance to work with any celebrities, but I met a couple. When I worked for Disney, I met O.J. Simpson, had a very lengthy conversation with him. Nice man, actually. And I also got to meet Paula Abdul. He was nice when I met him. I don't know, no judgment.
Other people
I met Paula Abdul. She was really nice, very funny. And then when I worked at NBN, I can't remember specifically who, but I got to work with like a lot of dignitaries and, you know, representatives, presidents from the Middle East. Oh gosh, that might be way too much.
Oh no,
man!
I thought I ran.
I don't know. I expected it to be a little thicker. The other ones were thicker.
I know that
this
one
is
was
like
runnier.
a little thin and runny. So this is probably not a good idea.
O.J. Simpson was runny.
Cheers! Oh gosh, terrible. Let's see. That one's a little thin.
There it comes. Starting to hit me now.
Oh yeah.
That one's a back.
It's a delayed. It's a delayed.
Yeah.
Okay, it's getting really warm in the auditorium now.
My head's just sweating a little bit, but I'm doing fine.
I've got a little bit going
This
on.
last one, the last one, we call Dragon's Breath.
Oh my god.
Well, it's accustomed to always put extra on the last one.
Yeah, I know.
So,
I know.
My last question for you.
Yes, okay.
And this is going to be for everyone that we ask, is I call this one person, one place, one location.
Okay.
One person. Yep. You can be dead or alive.
Okay.
You're eating a meal with them.
Okay.
You get to choose the meal. You get to choose the location. Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
You get to choose the location and the place. Or, well, wait. The meal and the location.
The meal and the location? Live or dead?
Alive or dead.
Okay.
Alrighty.
God, it's hard. Now I have a whole new appreciation because when you're breathing in, it's making it worse. Okay. I'll wait to dab this one.
My hand's shaking doing this one.
Don't put too much on. Okay,
I feel like that's decent.
It's thick.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
In case you don't know, thick hot sauces are statistically the worst hot sauces to eat. And it's not even close.
Okay. Oh, it doesn't like. Oh, there it comes.
And speaking of that, like pepper meter that we had online.
Yep.
This one was 1, 2, and 8.
Yep.
That one was 48 peppers. That was 6 times. That one's 6 times hotter than this one.
It tastes like nothing. Let's sit it.
If you guys don't see me the rest of the school year, you guys know why.
This is why. He gets to do this every episode too.
I get to do this every episode.
All right.
Yep.
Should I eat it first and then answer, or answer?
One person. No, let's do it first, so.
All right. So one person would be Walt Disney. Obviously, I love him. He's why I got into TV animation, all of it. Where? As long as it was safe, I would love to do it like in the middle of an African savannah with like some nice music playing because I've always wanted to go to Africa. And what I would want beef Wellington cooked by Gordon Ramsay himself. So he'd have to be in Africa too.
Right.
Yeah. So
I guess 2 person, 1 place, 1 location then.
There we go. All right. Cheers to our last nugget.
Oh, good heavens.
It does not taste like much. Oh my god, it's really hot. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Should I do my 1 person, 1 place?
Yeah. Where would you want to go?
All right. So.
Oh my gosh, that's hot. Okay. I'm gonna drink some water. Go ahead. I'm listening. Just pay my attention. Yes, go ahead.
So 1 person, just because he's the most. I'm eating something else. would definitely be the Giants running back, Cameron Scadaboo.
Okay.
The one who was an absolute maniac.
Uh-huh.
Oh, God,
It really hurts. It really burns. Go ahead. Right,
Napkin, I need to...
Right, so that was your person.
Uh-huh.
Location? Go ahead.
Definitely in Alaska.
Uh-huh.
Oh, God.
Don't touch your eyes.
No. I definitely have like a chicken parmesan.
Oh, okay. And where?
Just because Alaska.
Oh, in Alaska. All right, you got to sign us off.
Yep. Any last things you like to say?
No, just thanks for having me, guys. If you want to be on Spice Up, reach out to me. Just email us or scan the QR code on the bulletin board out in the hallway and let us know. If you are a student, you need a parent or guardian to sign a waiver to do this. But yeah, just let us know. And thank you to the cafeteria staff for the popcorn chicken.
Thank you indeed.
Yes.
All righty. I'm Travis Perweiler. This was Miss Rolling. I'm signing out on Spice Up. Thank you.